For a seated forward fold on the chair, let's go ahead and sit forward in the chair, placing our feet directly underneath the knee joints at 90 degrees, as well as placing our feet forward and placing the ankles and the knee joints at hip distance apart. So from here, let's go ahead and take a deep breath in, lengthening out your spine as much as you can. Exhale, keeping the shoulders away from the ears. Let's go ahead and come into half forward fold. So here you can just rest your elbow joints lightly on top of the thighs, lengthening your spine as much as you can. You can go ahead and stay here for a few breaths. If you'd like more, you can go ahead and fold forward all the way, letting your head come down as well and keeping the gaze in between your legs. Stay here for a few breaths, and when you're ready to come out, taking a deep inhale, tucking in the belly to protect your spine, coming back to half forward fold first, and then inhale, coming back to the starting position. For our next pose, which is the modified seated twist, let's go ahead and turn our body towards one side. Doesn't matter which side you start, as long as you go ahead and do the opposite side when you are finished with this side. So let's go ahead and place the feet hip distance apart, sitting up nice and tall. Take a deep breath in here. And as you exhale, start to twist your torso towards the back of the chair, holding on to the chair handles, and exhale to complete the twist as much as you can. Looking over the shoulder if you can. However, if that's painful, go ahead and look forward, but keep trying to twist the body as much as you can. Stay here for 5 to 10 breaths or counts, and then go ahead and gently untwist out as you're done, placing your hands back on top of the thighs. Our next pose is targeted towards the hips. So here, let's go ahead and lift one leg up. It can be any leg. Flex that foot, and then take both your hands, take a deep breath in. Exhale to apply a little bit of pressure just behind the knee joint. And here you will feel the outside of the hip opening. Go ahead and hold this for 5 to 10 counts or breaths, and do the other side when you're done. Our next pose is to strengthen out the surrounding muscles of our knee joint. So for this one, very simply, sitting forward once again with the ankle joints directly underneath the knee. Keep sitting upright as you inhale to lift one leg up as much as you can. Flex your foot. Exhale, bring it back down. Let's do it with the opposite leg. Inhale, lift, kick the heel out, and then exhale, bring it back down. You will feel these targeted in your quads. Go ahead and repeat this for about 5 to 10 rounds or breaths. Our next pose is going to have double benefits of working out our ankle joints, as well as ending this practice with a Our next pose is going to have double benefits of working out our ankle joints, as well as ending this practice with a nice massage for our feet. So let's go ahead and do it. Go ahead and lift one leg up at the number 4 position, placing above the ankle joint, just above your knee. Go ahead and hold the bottom of the foot with the opposite hand and start making rotations for your ankle joints. Just synchronize it with your breath. Do about 5 to 10 rounds or breaths in each direction. When you're done, go ahead and take your thumb pads and start pressing the insides of your feet, going from the top all the way down, and then from down, maybe you can stroke it all the way back up and press the bottoms of your toes as well. Hope you enjoy the practice.